Welcome back, people. Let's talk about the new additions for version 3.1 in Bonga. So today we are going to cover shift management, right? So the reason why shift management was added mostly because of two things, right? The biggest headache in managing any large teams, any call center large teams, is usually being able to arrange multiple shifts with multiple people at the same time, right? But away from that, also in terms of allocation, issue allocation, ticket allocation, any kind of support query allocation, who do you allocate, who handles what? And to avoid scenarios of allocating team members tickets while they are not on shift, right? So really, really important that we add that this particular feature came just in time as we look at adding more and more features into ticketing on chat desk and more features into the call center module with VoIP, with Bonga VoIP as well. So creating shifts has been made in such a way that it's as easy as a click of a button. So just click on a button and you can be able to create a shift. Say, for example, you're creating morning shift. Then, of course, give it a bit of a color just to spice it up a little bit. So let's give it a bit of a color, give it a description, say, purposes of time, just repeat the same thing, morning shift, and say what particular days you want those to apply. So, say for example, morning shift for Monday, Tuesday. So let's give it Monday to Friday or Monday to Saturday, and we choose the daily timings, right? So, at what times should this shift apply? So, shift for Monday, say for example, starts from 8 to 5. So it's regular, or let's make it a bit more early in the morning, like 0 to 5 to 8 hour shift to around 2 p.m. So 05 to 2 p.m. And you can be able to specify the minimum number of users or the minimum number of agents you want on the floor per shift. And what this means is in any case where you have less than the minimum required, the software will immediately be able to flag and notify you that you need to add more people on the shift, right? It's a really, really good feature, helps you to manage your productivity as well. You can also be able to specify hourly wages on how many hours, on how much people on this particular shift are meant to earn as well. So it would also help you when you're doing payrolls also for the future. But once the shift is created, when you click that on the shift on the morning shift, so there'll be a list of all the shifts you created down here. So once you click on the shift we just created, which is the morning shift, you should be able to see the shift schedules on every single day, what the schedule looks like, or what the schedules you've created, what time the morning shift applies. If it's 8 to 5, as in this particular direction, or 8 to 2, you should be able to see all that data over here, and you should be able to edit and add more features. If you want to add breaks within the shifts, so that when anyone goes on, or when a break time reaches, your agents can be notified that they can take a break. So you can be able to create breaks and choose if they apply to all agents or just some agents, or if it's an optional or mandatory break. Some of the good features also that comes with shift management is also a list of all the shift users. So when you click on the shift, you get a list of all the shift users, what time they came in and what time they left for each particular day. And also, of course, when you click on that, you get a list of all shifts and also just quickly be able to also manage the shifts from there. So it's a very short module, but comes really, really in handy, integrates really well with leave management, and also integrates really well with automations and business rules, so that you can be able to manage productivity within your customer support teams and help you scale up. See you on the next video where we'll be running through